Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna continue my Zodiac sign series with the Cancer, and I'm really happy about this because I'm a Cancer too. So we are gonna work with white. It said on white for the lucky color, but my favorite color is red, and the Cancer is usually portrayed with red, or how to say it. That's gonna be good enough for me now right now. So first I'm gonna start with my Garnier BB cream as a foundation, and I'm just blending it out with a blender. I really love using beauty blenders. I tried using other stuff, but beauty blenders is the thing that works for me the best. Then I use my imagic paint palette, body and face paint palette. I really love this palette, and just gonna add some highlight. I don't know what and why I did here, but yeah, I'm gonna give it because I don't have concealer and I try to achieve effects like that. Then I'm gonna use my Simply Red lip cream from NYX, the Russian Roulette. I use this lipstick a lot. I love this, and I'm gonna use this for contouring to give a nice kind of color. Oh, and as you could see, I used my body and face paint. Yeah, I remember what I did. I painted my face with white, not used as the concealer kind of thing. Painted my face. Yeah, I should record the voices after that I created the videos, because then I still remember what I was doing. So yeah, this is what I did, and I just blended out. As I said, I use blenders for this kind of stuff, so I like to do the basics with blenders, and really loving it. They are doing a pretty nice, pretty good job. And it looked nice, I think. Pretty nice. Yeah, I love this. Then I added a little black to my eyebrows, just a little bit to highlight the inner corner. So I achieved this nice little look. I loved my eyebrows this day, how it looked like this. Oh, and yeah, I just showed that because yeah, I have a separated mug for my dirty brushes, and it's overflowing right now, so I need to clean them. And then I added a little red body paint at the end of my eyelashes, because I thought it's gonna be looking nice, and it looked nice, just the camera doesn't showing it very well. It's super sad. Then I use my Essence Never Give Up Your Daydream palette, and I use the whitish color as a highlighter, and I needed to change here because I had a problem with my mobile phone, so I changed here to my iPad, and as you can see, I couldn't record when I put on these jewels, or I don't know how to say them, and then some little nice Zodiac sign jewelry, and it was done. This was the finished look. So, as always, if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's lots of link in the description that you should check out. Please do something, comment. See you in the next video. Bye!